Well, I don't know, say I indulge and first have to give thanks to life, you know. I mean, have to say, my apology, you know, to all of the one that have been inboxing me from December, you know, until now. But this, the Facebook filtering thing, you know, I never really get to get the message them until last night I was scrolling trying to see a lot of message that one sending me, you know, encouraging me, you know, and telling me I have topic with them I like to hear, you know. Much love and respect, you know, because no matter how good the things you can talk or how much you know, say each one teach one, you know, so we don't want to help share to spread the message, you know, really makes sense. Because I'll go far still, you know, a few years to go on, you know. So respect and love. Much love and respect. Well, today topic is all about attachment. What is attachment? Attachment is an emotional bond that connects one person to a next person through time and space. What I have to say is that a man supposed to connect himself to a woman more than connect himself to him youths. Because the principle of marriage is still death do us part, but a youth supposed to be the greater person than you. You understand? Your youth supposed to be a greater person than you. And enough people attach themselves so much to them youth that when them youth, it's time for them move on, for go out into the world, to be that greater person that them supposed to be, we hold them back. We hold them back with emotional bond. You understand? And remember this. Every youth have to come face them own obstacles in a different way. The challenges that you go through, you're supposed to learn that lesson and teach your youth. And the youth supposed to take on a different challenge. The moment your youth are go through the same challenge that you go through, a back way we are going in life. You understand? Because it's a different level, level 1 and level 2. Your teacher you level 1, him advance and go to level 2, and him teach him you level 3, and it go on and it go on. Remember this, the first person that invent this internet thing or this software thing is not them invent Microsoft. So it's a different level. And the moment we understand the cycle of life, then we not fear death no more. You understand? Only thing we have fear is to come and hurt you and never left a good input. That's the only thing we have fear. Remember this. No man can destroy electricity because electricity was here from the beginning of time. It's a part of nature. It's a part of energy. Benjamin Franklin only rediscovered it in the 17th century, but electricity was always around. You understand? It's like the lightning in a flash. It was always around. You understand? No man can destroy the electricity or the current within me. You understand? Because the current within me will always here from time. From the beginning of time, it's a part of nature. So a man can destroy the wire that the electricity runs through or the current runs through, but him cannot destroy the electricity itself. A man can destroy this body, but he can't destroy the current within me. So my duty is to advance my voltage. Give my youth that voltage and him advance span that voltage. You know, we make a different voltage. Voltage up and up and up and up. Until we become that voltage that we're supposed to be a part of nature back. So when a man understands the cycle of life, he will fear death no more, because no man can destroy the current within you. So much love and respect, and remember, attach yourself to your woman, or your woman attach herself to your man more than you attach yourself to your youth. Don't hold back your youth in life just because of emotional bond. Much love. I'm out.